Alright, so here's the big fuel upgrade for the F350, the S&S fuel pump. This thing is making a big stir in the CP4 world. Pretty much fixes the problematic CP4 by getting rid of it. I mean, this thing's a unit. A lot of people are talking about it. They're saying it's, you know, pretty much saving the 6.7. I've already opened this, so it's not as pretty as it was. But yeah, they're saving the 6.7 powerstroke platform because, you know, they're the powerhouse when it comes to horsepower and torque. They have the highest. It's a lot tight. What am I doing? So this is it also is an over pump. It's either 20 or 30%, something like that over. But I mean, it goes in like factory. You get a ton of very high quality parts. Of course, this is a $2,000 system or $1,990, whatever. It's got all the bits and pieces. I'm not gonna do a total step-by-step install, but I'll do a whoop. Here's the mounting plate. I mean, bunch of beautiful pieces of metal, right? Very expensive, beautiful pieces of metal. But I'm not gonna do a total step-by-step. Oh, this is how you do it. But we will get it pretty close. You know, here's the vacuum pump gasket. We don't need RTV for anything on this job. That's just here because I was doing axles earlier. I mean, comes with a lot of like fit to factory parts. Like, this is not, nothing has to be really modified to put this in. This is a bolt-in like factory type deal. And here we go. Pop this corner and bam. The unit, I mean, this thing is, I'm not gonna open it right this second, but because I'm probably not gonna do this today, but anywho, quite a bit involved. I mean, it is a chunk. I mean, a big ass fuel pump. And yeah, it comes with everything you need to put it in. It's got sensors built in it. I mean, this is a unit. I'm excited about doing it. I got a few buddies that they work on light duty, medium duty, and heavy duty trucks. And they're like, "Oh man, you got that pump?" And I'm like, "Yes, sir." We're gonna see what it does. Hopefully, you know, this will make these trucks like how everyone says, you know, oh, the 7.3 is the best, it lasts forever. I was like, well, it lasts forever because it doesn't make any fucking power. You know, these trucks, specifically this one, made like 450 stock and almost 1,000 foot-pounds of torque stock. I want to say right at 900. I mean, that's a Google search away. Everyone knows how much power these things fucking make. I mean, they'll drag a Cummins off the line because nowadays, Cummins don't make any fucking power. I drove a 2022 Ram for a while there, and it literally made zero power until like 45, 50 mile an hour. And then it would take off. So I'm like, bro, I can't pull out in front of someone in that damn truck. Definitely for pulling something. It's like, yeah, they last, but the new Cummins that's a cool ass fitting. The new Cummins is tapped out. They come maxed out. So buying these old trucks, this or, you know, 3rd gen, 4th gen Cummins, I think is the way to go. But yeah, it's got new tires all the way around, GT radial. You know, they're a pretty good brand, drift community, so why not have them on the truck? But yeah, all this has to come out. That bracket right there, fans on, that has to come out. That, where you see that Torx bit, that's the vacuum pump. It's got to come off. There's a seal on it, and then behind that you'll see your CP4 gear. It's got to come out, get put in timed, retorqued, all that good stuff. My turbo, still kind of shiny, but she's on the struggle bus. Man, you can't see shit down there, huh? But yeah. Where's it at? Damn. Bam! That little... This guy right here. That's the CP4. Those Torx heads are. That's the CP4 pump. All the way down there. So, all this off. All my piping. We're just going to go ahead and take it off. Make it easier. Fan. That big unit right there. You just get a wrench on that. Or a crescent wrench. Smack that bitch with a hammer. It'll spin off. I've replaced it like 3 times on the side of the road. Yeah, you gotta get this tensioner. If you have an EGR, you're fucked. It's gonna make this job way harder. But yeah, we're gonna tear into this thing, get her done. Ignore my sick ass airbox. I haven't remade this out of sheet metal yet, which will be, you know. But yeah, unhook battery so you don't squirt yourself with fuel, because these trucks' lift pump that's in the tank is pretty much on a timer, damn near. I mean, you touch the door handle, it goes off. You hear, eh. That's that lift pump. Of course, when you do this, go ahead and replace both filters, this one and the one under the truck. So anything that was in the system is not going into this new pump. I got a warranty on my pump because they say it fixes everything, but if this motherfucker goes out after I put this $2,000 pump on when I could have bought an $800 CP4, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. But I don't think it will. Everyone's talking about this thing. I mean, they're saying it is the shit. It's a very good installation. Like the instructions, I mean, they word for word, tool for tool, will show you what you need. I mean, I think there's like an hour and a half, almost a 2-hour long video of Thoroughbred Diesel, the guys I bought this pump from. And they show you how to put it in time. That's a big deal. If your fuel pump's out of time, your shit's just gonna be all messed up. Or it could give it a heavy chop. Don't quote me on that. It'll probably fuck it all the way up, actually. It's gonna be super dirty down in there underneath that pump, so get ready to clean that. And don't let anything go in these holes into your engine. But yeah, this is a very well thought out thing. I mean, it will pretty much make these trucks last. And here's all your torque specs. You know, a lot of good information in that. I plan on trying to get another one of these trucks. Maybe not an F350. If I can find a single wheel 350, that'd be cool. But I'm trying to get something that's non-CDL. Of course, this is a CDL truck. 14,000 pound. And then, you know, I have a pretty much 16,000 pound rated trailer, so it's over CDL, super gay. But yeah, it's we're doing things now. Anything new in here? Got some cell phone magnet mounts and shit up here, so you can watch TV. You know, you got a second phone or a tablet, just bam, while you're driving. Out of sight, out of mind. 1,000 watt converter chilling. I have Wi-Fi for in here now too. Wi-Fi, dash cam, ELD. Still running the Minimax. I do want to switch over to what is that? Easy. I can't remember the name. It's Easy something. Apparently those guys fuck super hard, and they have a built-in ELD in their programmer, and then get the exhaust brake controller because my truck doesn't have an exhaust brake. I got no button. That's just a ground. All right, cool ground, lights up. But yeah, bed. I don't know if I really showed the bed that much, but twin size bed, 38 by, it's really 73, but I don't know, I'm taller. I'm 6'3", so that's more than 73 inches, 72 inches, whatever. So yeah, sleeping bag, pillows, all the good stuff, blackout curtains. We're a hot shot, man. We're just out here doing it. Big old fuel tank. Got the race car fuel filter down there. She's gonna get cleaned out before I do this. Brand new Johnnies. Got the letters out because we're a boomer. I probably should have got a brand new spare too, but I didn't. VGT going out. So I'm smoky. Bang on housing of turbo to loosen VGT. Works every time you need it to. New Johnnies. I think I forgot to mention these things are pretty sweet. Get them off eBay. They're like 30-40 bucks. They will save you because these Fords, them valve stems point each other. So you can never get a chuck past right here. So yeah. Add-a-leaf still doing gangster. Truck is super high on the rear. I probably should level the front, but I'm not on 22.5s yet, so we're rocking it. But yeah. And then of course, you know, plans on building a shop because this truck doesn't fit in this shop. It's not my shop anyway. But I've made this video about 10 minutes now. Get your DOT inspection. It's DOT inspection week. They're fucking out there. Sorry in advance. Got the ambers in the grill. Don't know where that went. Somewhere in Tennessee. Yeah. Be safe out there. We're gonna get this pump put on. And I'm gonna let y'all know what's up. Then after that, what is it? Ryan Diesel Services. We're getting their turbo. So yeah. Rock out. Or whatever. I saw, dude.